Okay, so major water intrusion into the home. We excavated, we discovered there's a hole right there. There's no footings. So what we're doing is a sister foundation, approximately 4 feet high, roughly I would say 7-8 inches wide. We're going to fill it with concrete. We're going to create a sister foundation and waterproof drainage, everything on top. This is the fourth day after excavating and installing the sister foundation. As you can see over there, Reyes is quoting the sister foundation we built with waterproofing. After that, we'll install some gravel drainage and we will concrete back this area. We are done after excavation. We did sister foundation, waterproofing, backfill the soil, compaction, drainage. We did also drainage actually. We connected the rain gutter downspout into the pipe. It's going all the way to the street. And we concrete back the area, all the stairs.